Hello everyone, welcome to the GeoEcologist. I'm Dr. Krishnanand and I'm here to officially announce that the registration for our Geography Optional UPSC batch September to January, which is 5-month course, is now going on. So if you want to join this course, you can visit our website TheGeoecologist.com and register there. All the details are given and some more details I'm going to announce it here. The first thing that is important, that only 11 seats are there. As you know that we only take small batch of people for more focused study. The second important point is that we facilitate personal mentoring in very small groups of students, and our thrust is on answer writing techniques and the process so that a person can score more than 300 marks in geography optional in UPSC. And next important point is that this is a platform for pan-India students, so it creates a very healthy group, people from all across India joining this group. And about the language of the course, so this course is to be taught in mixed language, that is Hindi and English, but answer writing will only be taken for English medium students. Then about the timing of the course, so this is an evening batch. Around 4:30 in the evening we start and maximum we go till 6 in the evening. So it's almost 1 to 1.5 hour of course. We'll be doing this for 3 to 4 days in a week. The registration details are here, TheGeoecologist.com. You can go there. And right now we are running an offer for this 75th year of our independence. So you have rupees 7,500 off as an offer for this particular batch. So what you need to do is these 3 simple easy steps. So first you need to go to the website and register yourself because you are a new user. So create your user ID, activate it through your account, then log in, and then further go to the course and you can buy the course, and then registration is complete. And if you have any further query, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number 9311052969, or you can also write an email to us on TheGeoecologist@gmail.com. So all my best wishes to all the aspirants. Take care.